now, so these are all the same thing. I went through that just to show you that that is actually a model. So what goes into these blanks? What would be the error after the first observation? It's minus 168. What's the error after 15 seconds? It's positive 168. What's a sum square error? It's exactly the same thing as a sum square total. That's 56,448 meters squared. And what's the coefficient of determination for my model? And so that's why I labeled everything very carefully. R square, my model, that's going to be 1 minus the ratio of the SSE of my model, which is in F4. I highlighted F4, divided by the error in the worst model, which is SST. That's in D4. So I take the ratio of these two things. If they were close to each other, my model's not doing any better than the mean. And if it's not doing better than the mean, it's going to be close to 1, and 1 minus 1 is close to 0. So that's a bad R square. If this F4 is very low, then that my error is not so bad, and the 1 minus that ratio is going to be closer to 1. So let me see what happened here. It shouldn't be negative. Let's see. F4 is the SSE of my model. D4 is the SST. And I do get something negative. So that is the R squared that I'm coming up with in my model.